Welcome back to Trade Pro FX. Today is another amazing video that we will be talking about the how to identify patterns and how to trade higher ROA. So that's the usually one of the best strategies for beginners. So what do? We first reduce this amount to a realistic amount, like let's put uh, assuming you have a capital of 25 USD. So let's first reduce this amount to that amount. So we have our 25 USD. So we will just go to tradeprofx.co.ke, and then we get into the system and do some analysis before we get into the market. So after you open the Trade Pro FX system, you can see our system now has detected it's 25 USD. So that's here. The first thing you'll find is the market area here. So how do you do the analysis? So the first point you'll get is to this point called the ticks. You can see one tick. So you can zoom out to see the behavior of the market. So if I zoom out, I can see the market has reached to the point of concern. You can see it has reached to this area which is of concern, the resistance zone. So if I go to the 1 minute to observe again how is the market behaving. So I'll just zoom out again and I can see it has reached to the same point. So there is a reversal going now towards the downside, because the overall trend, like as I can see, let's move to the 5 minutes. The overall trend shows it's a downtrend. So probably we will proceed moving to find for entries towards the down direction. So that's the lower part. So from there we have already gotten. So I'll just go back to the 1 minute, and then if when I go back to the 1 minute, you can see the count bar here. So what do? You click on these for these two candlesticks there, so you can zoom out and see how the behavior of those candlesticks are behaving. So as you can see, that's it. So those are the candlesticks. So we have a big battle here as sellers are trying to get into the market. So with that, this is an opportunity to trade higher lower. So you and the better good thing is that there is a tag of war with those few small candlesticks. There is at least a room for getting into the market and winning. So you will just click configuration. Then today we will be trading higher lower. So you'll not trade you'll go to the trade type, not rise and fall. You click rise and fall, and then you go to higher lower, which is on the one barrier, which on this is on the one barrier. So you'll just click on higher lower, and then duration must be 5 ticks. It must be 5 ticks, and then the amount you can press anything, but I'll be using the whole capital to target 100 USD. So I usually tell you the small gains normally matter. So for the barrier, if you find, if you want to be on the best part, so I'll use a barrier of 0.60, so that I can scoop my profits easily and get out of the market. So this is for beginner traders, so it's very easy to trade using this concept. So barrier, stake, and you have already put the trade type as higher lower. Then go back to trading. So anytime this amount gets to 20 like that, you click lower. So you can see we have I've entered the market too. So anytime it will ever hit 20, you enter the market, don't hesitate. So you can see my first win. You can see we have already first won. That's the first win. So the next candlestick has started forming. Anytime it reaches 20 and it's red in color, don't hesitate, just click lower. Are we together? Anytime it reaches here on the countdown, remember we are on the 1 minute, we are on the 1 minute. So very fast I'll go and increase the stake to 31.76. so very fast, before the candlestick turns okay, it's still green in color. We can see 25.20. If it reaches 20 green color, leave that trade. So we wait again. So you have already done some analysis and seen how the market is behaving. There is a tug of war, so the market is deciding whether to buy or sell, but we have seen the overall trend is a sell direction. So at least we will scoop some of the candlesticks red in color. So we want to see the candlestick reach here is red in color. It reaches at the 20 minute level where it is at red in color and reaches 20. You can see this one. This candlestick has no wick, so it has started with a good momentum. So 32, 31, 30. So despite what, don't worry. If just it reaches 20 and it's red, 23, 21, 20, just click lower. Don't have any hesitation that now I fear that because it has gone so much, it might reverse. No, you'll always be on the win rate. So 40. So I've told you our target is 100. So it's the easiest way that you can trade these using this concept. So the best thing is that you must have patience. So 40.34, it's very easy. So then we wait again for the market to have our conditions met. It's one of the best ways that you can make and grow your account if you know what you are doing. Some of these things we normally say you need mentorship so that you can first know the direction of the market. Then you can now decide where is the entry. You can see 23, 20, it reaches 20, I click like that. I don't hesitate and I'm not wasting any time. Why? Because I know what I'm doing and I know where to enter and not where not to enter. So you can see it's at 20, a win. We are at 50. So if you know you are doing, you want to try this, first try it. Maybe you can try the concept when you tell me whether it works for you. But it works. It's a strategy that works because if you know the direction, if you know understand price action, you'll always know that the candlestick will go to which direction. So this is just a concept I'm trying to illustrate to maybe the beginners or those who do not know how to look at the candlestick behavior. So that's why I'm telling you the entry should be at 20 level. So when the countdown is at 20, you can see that one is at 20 already green, so that one you cannot enter. So you can see it's very easy. Maybe if you have not understood, it will be very easy for you to make it. It will be very easy to make it. So kindly guys, take this serious. And you can see we are using tradeprofx.co. We have also some bots on this section there, so you can try our bots on this area. So you can just do practice by doing these ones. So you can use any which one, the one that suits you, you can trade using it. So as we proceed, we are still making some advancement, so you'll get better things. So just let's proceed. So as I was saying, anytime the candlestick is red, just click sell. And remember that always try to understand the candlestick price action, because you will be always on the right track. You'll always be on the right track and you will get some wins very fast. You see, we have already scooped our half price. Remember, when we talk about the forex market, we don't target the same way as Deriv, though I believe you should target the same way as Deriv. So if you aim using the forex market and target 10% of your account, the same behavior and discipline you should have it also when it comes to Deriv. But here we normally have some tendency of a small account, you aim a bigger account. So no problem, it's a person's wish, because if you are a good trader who wants to exit the market very fast, as like now, you should exit, but due to concern, so at 20, 22, 20, it was red immediately, so you still enter the market. It doesn't matter. You see, when it has reached 20, it was red. I've entered because I have no fear of contradiction that market will go down. So at 65, so our target is 100, as we said, 65.66. So okay, 65.06. So remember to always have clear entries. You can see like there it had reached 20, but the candlestick was showing red color, but with a small doji, like it is going up. So it was just tricking you, but due to some price action, you can see it within the 20 level. So I'm just trying to give you the concept of where to enter. So let's wait again. We can see this one has gone. So I don't know what's wrong. This market doesn't want me to pick. So I've entered. Yes, I've entered the market on the right time. So let's wait for our wins. As I told you, it will be a sell. So you can always be doing this. If you understand price action, you can either do it on the MT5, or you can do it maybe like using these higher low if you don't know how to analyze the market. And I usually offer mentorship classes, guys. If I told you we have a mentorship classes, if you want to know these concepts, you can just join me. So we are at 40.39. So we still wait. I guess with this last run we will be done. So we can see it has reached at a zone. We need to be careful, but we have no issues. In case it reaches at 20 and it is red in color, we will get into that market and we scoop our trades the last time. So we have entered at that trade and wait for our wins, and we call it a day, guys. So that's the win. We are done. 104 from 25 USD. So guys, we have printed 79 USD. So I usually get so many people telling me, oh, why are you not using real? Why are you not using why are you using a demo account? I told you that for demo accounts are for demonstrations, and if you know what you are doing, you should then scoop everything on that demo, even if you are doing it. So we are already at 104.71. So guys, take this serious. That's a small price action I've taught you. You can see all these are wins because I know what I was doing. So maybe in case you need some entry, some guidance, you can DM. So this was an entry for selling based on what the first analysis we did. So if you want to get such concepts, you can DM for classes. If not so, just use the small concepts I normally teach you, like this one. Just try it on tradeprofx.co. It's very easy to view, very easy. It doesn't have that fear of missing out. You can see we have also a tick. You can view how on the ticks it's behaving. So if I click on the ticks, you can see how it's behaving. So I'll just click this and go to the charts section. So you will always see how it is behaving. From where I told you, you can see how it has gone down. So with those few remarks, guys, tradeprofx.co.ke, check the platform out. It's out. So we are also building another one for the Medallion bot. So with that few remarks, let's meet in the next video. That's the higher ROA, the best for the beginners. Price action is always the best. So if you don't want to run such kind of concepts, you can DM if you don't understand. But I'll recommend that you have the knowledge. Those few remarks. Bye.